Rose, can you come over here? We're gonna go start kissing.
Sure, Dad. Coming. Are you feeling better, Dad?
Yes, honey. Daddy is fine. Don't worry.
But Dad, your cough is getting worse, sir. We have to take you to the hospital.
But honey, we don't have enough money.
I will be fine, Rose, as long as I see you.
The stars are glowing brightly. Aren't they beautiful? Just like you and your mom. You two are the most beautiful couple in my life. My mom once told me about the stars. She said when one passes away, its soul will go out and turns into a star.
Wow.
It will be hard to watch over your loneliness, loved ones left in this world.
Is Mom one of them too?
Yes, honey.
Dad, I made life sick, Mom.
I'm sorry, Rose.
No, it's fine, Dad. It's not your fault anyway.
You know, Rose, I'm happy to see you grow up into a fine and independent woman.
Thank you, Dad.
Honey, I never doubt you. I know that you can grow up and live with your beautiful dream without me by your side.
Dad, stop kidding. It's not funny.
Come here, princess. Give daddy a hug.
Yes, Dad.
I love you, Rose. You're always been a baby.
I love you too, Daddy. Dad, the falling star. Dad. 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 Oh, please, Dad. No. Please, Daddy. Wake up. Daddy. Dad. Can you hug Mom for me? Please watch over me, Dad. Tell Mom that I promise I will always look up in the sky to see you. I love you both so much.